Welcome to MTBC's EMR 4.0 training video series. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use SureScripts to write a prescription. Once on the SureScripts screen, you will see the patient's prescriptions. You can search through the patient's prescriptions by clicking on All, Current, or Past. In order to write a new prescription, double-click on a blank line. The next screen you see will ask you to choose an available benefit plan for the patient. You can either double-click on the plan or click Select. Once a benefit plan is selected, you will see this screen. First, let's select a provider from the drop-down menu. Next, let's select a type of prescription from this drop-down menu. Choices are prescription, non-prescription, sample, and e-prescription. Let's choose e-prescription. Finally, if the patient has a pharmacy listed in his personal information, then that pharmacy will be automatically populated in this field. If not, you can simply click on the plus and search for a pharmacy. Double-click the pharmacy of choice, and it'll populate in this field. Next, let's choose a type of medicine that we want to prescribe to the patient. Once you choose a medicine, you will see this screen, which asks you to choose an alternative. We'll list the medicine, whether it's generic, whether it's over-the-counter, and the formulary. We want to use the medicine that we've already chosen, so we can click on Use this medication. Next, we type in the diagnosis code for the patient. Double-click on the diagnosis of choice, and the description field is automatically populated with that diagnosis. Then, we choose an amount that we want to prescribe. Let's choose 1 tablet 4 times a day. Next, we need to prescribe a total amount of medicine that we are prescribing. Let's say 28. Now, if you notice, by doing that and clicking on Day Supply field automatically populates by calculating the total quantity and the amount of medicine to be taken daily. The next field is refills, let's say 0 refills. And finally, measurement unit, which allows you to choose any unit by which you are measuring the medicine, in this case, tablets. Over here you see a comment box in which you can choose to write any comments you would like about the patient. Over here is a confidential box if you would like this prescription to be confidential. Over here is an active box, this prescription is active. Finally, a prescription status. Drop-down menu, you can see renew, completed, discontinued, or erroneous. Let's click renew. Over here, you have dates to fill in for the prescription. There's a start date. Let's choose September 22nd, and an end date. Let's choose October 20th. Over here, you have boxes to click for prescription reviewed and dispense at will. Over here at the bottom, we have 4 buttons. External drug history, which tells you the medicinal history of the patient. Drug education, which gives you educational information about the medicine we've chosen. Dose recommendations, which recommends dosage. And a dose calculator, which can calculate dosage. Over here we have 5 boxes. There's coverage copay information, and then there's drug warnings. Drug warnings tells you if there are any contraindications from drug to disease, drug to allergy, or drug to food. In this case, this patient has an allergy to the medicine that we've chosen for him. If this happens, you must click on Override Warnings and give an override reason in order for the prescription to pass. If not, and you just simply click OK, you will receive this box that tells you to continue with this medication. Click the Override Warning box. So let's click the Override Warning box and give a reason. Now when you click OK, you are presented with a summary of the prescription that tells you the name of the practice, provider, the address, patient information, drug information, finally the pharmacy information. Click OK, and we are presented again with the plan of care screen. As you can see, the new prescription has been added to the patient's list of prescriptions. If successful, you will see under RX status that the prescription is successful. Other information given in this chart is diagnosis, pharmacy, patient advice, who the prescription was created by, modified date the prescription was modified by, the start date, the end date, the date written, the date dispensed, date discarded, the date expired, healthcare provider, the type of prescription, the prescription is confidential, the prescription has been reviewed, who's been reviewed by, and the reviewed date. Thank you for joining us in this edition of MTBC's EMR 4.0 training video series.